You've become so valuable because you cannot be seen, found, or experienced everywhere. You cannot be seen, found, or experienced everywhere. And that makes you very valuable. That has made you very valuable. Throughout your life, you've had so many seasons of isolation. Whether intentionally or unintentionally, but very much intentionally. And over the past year, you had started curating your life or reality in a way where you had started becoming more busy. You were being seen in more spaces and areas and things like that. And though this has been great in many ways for you building your skills, your character, your business, and many things, you have started to recognize how important it is for you to gatekeep your energy. Your energy is very powerful. And so now you are becoming more discerning on where and how to channel it. And so now you're switching from channeling your energy in all these different spaces just to test it out and see how powerful you are. Because a lot of that was you testing out, like, am I really this powerful? Can I do that? Let me see. Like, a lot of that was that type of energy. Now that you have seen, now that you see and have seen, you are going to be channeling your energy with much more discernment, strength, and wisdom. And this is going to produce successful momentum in the areas of your life that you are desiring and have been desiring, but maybe have not seen yet up to this point. Because your focus is sharpening and strengthening with your discernment and wisdom, this momentum where you have been wanting to see it is about to happen. But now, you're going to see the momentum and be able to sustain it in a much healthier way than you would have